Session of the Punjab Vidhan Sabha will begin tomorrow. Lot of fireworks expected. One of the main trigger point for the fireworks could be the Justice Ranjit Singh Commission report. The Congress apparently going on an offensive over the report, though the report is yet to be tabled. But whatever has emerged in the last few days clearly indicating that Congress is going to go on an offensive as far as the report is concerned. That's supposed to be tabled on Monday. We're joined by my senior colleagues Rajmeet Singh and Ruchika Khanna. Rajmeet, to you first. What is going to be the Congress's core strategy as far as the Justice Ranjit Singh Commission report is concerned?
Hi, Rohit. You must understand this Ranjit Singh report has given a golden opportunity to the Congress party to push back the issues of drugs, unemployment and other issues which they had brought up bigger issues. This Ranjit Singh report, they are holding Congress Legislative Party meeting now. It's back-to-back meetings, 2 meetings. Basically, they are trying to focus on the sacrilege issues. Like the key speakers, they have so far identified the meeting is still going on. Like Sukhjinder Randhawa, Kushaldeep Dhillon, and Bajwa, Mr. Tripat Bajwa, then Raja Vading, he is a MLA from Giddar So they are basically trying to, Kuljit Nagar, another person, they are trying to basically focus on the administrative lapses and the failure on part of the Akadis to, control the situation in advance. So you must remember that it has become it was a very emotive issue on which the Akadis, one of the key issues when the Akadis lost the elections. Now with the run-up to the 2019 elections, the Congress aims to keep this issue alive. The second part is whether they will be able to take action against the people responsible, especially the firing, the post-sacrilege. That's the issue which has to be seen. But going by the reports coming so far, we are certainly going to focus on the sacrilege, the negligence, the sacrilege. Basically trying to, it's an emotive issue for the Punjabis and Sikhs in Raj. And it's a political narrative which the Congress will try to play out to their advantage.
Ruchika, clearly, as she pointed out, that the religious issues trying to take the front stage basically, and the issues being tried to exploited by all the political parties. What would be the strategy of the Akali Dal when it goes to the session tomorrow? Apparently, many would say they will be on the back foot. How do they intend to counter what the Congress is going to come out with?
See, I think they do not need to counter it within the Vidhan Sabha. What they've done is they've countered it outside it. Most of the people who were witnesses in the Ranjit Singh Commission report, they have actually resigned. One of the key witnesses, Himmat Singh, resigned a few days back. Former MLA, H.L. Jalal, he has also resigned from his statement. Whatever the Ranjit Singh Commission report apparently says, we cannot discuss it before it is tabled in the assembly. But whatever the commission report says, or whatever information we've gathered out of it, it's very, very clear. It appears like a political document because the then Chief Minister, Mr. Prakar Singh Badal, has not been blamed directly, for any lapses. It's very vague. He's been given the benefit of doubt. But the Congress will definitely be using it to its advantage, saying that yes, we have solved the cases. The data Sector Sauda is responsible for this.
Another aspect, perhaps during the session, would be to watch out for Aam Aadmi Party. I mean, dissensions within the party, there's a split, almost a split within the party, the rebel faction, the original faction. How is it going to play out in the assembly, during the assembly session?
See, this is actually going to be a debut for Harpal Singh Cheema, but it remains to be seen if he can match, to the tone and tenor of Mr. Sukhpal Singh Khera. Secondly, they might not be as formidable in opposition as they were in the previous assembly sessions because, come what may, Sukhpal Singh Khera has been around for quite a few years now, and he knows how things work. So he used to come very well prepared. Not that Mr. Cheema would not be doing it, but it remains to be seen, how well he can match up with Khera.
One last question on the Congress's strategy. Take us through the schedule. On the Monday, they're going to table the report, and who's going to lead the tabling?
The initial plans was like one of the ministers, Sukhjinder Randhawa, is asking to open the debate. and the Chief Minister would probably conclude the debate with what action the government has taken or any corrective measures they want to take on it. But the meeting is still going on. To precisely point out, I have already pointed to there 6 to 7 speakers, probably from the affected areas. The MLAs, they have been called in. There was a special 2-hour meeting. There was a Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Mr. Brahmendra, and other people. They are strategizing. They are in another meeting now going on in Punjab Bhavan. So probably they have been given different parts of the report to speak on. So Khajendra Randhawa has been given to speak on sacrilege, and I think Tripat Bajwa will also speak on the sacrilege issue. Then about the police and some other MLA, they would probably not touch it much because it won't politically give any gains to them, because the police, it will recognize only the police against them, which is already happening. So basically, they are going to cash on the the political narrative generated by the, I would use the word political narrative, like my colleague pointed out, like generated by the report, which has given inferences, indirect inferences to what, because the report has used what's hearsay, what we come to know from media reports, and like the investigation has to be done by an investigation, as like they refer to the CBI or SI. So the Congress is going to basically move very smartly, try to maneuver through the political overtones and the political narrative in the report, and hit the masses, the vote bank basically, which is the targeted audience.
Thank you, both of you. In fact, that's clearly what we're expecting during the this monsoon session. A lot of fireworks expected, as I mentioned earlier, as my colleagues have been saying. The issue of the tabling of the Justice Ranjit Singh Commission report, that's going to trigger a lot of debate within the House. We'll keep you updated on the session during the day. We'll come right back to you. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.